To turn on or turn off Samsung Global Goals lock screen sound effect in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra. Open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, tap lock screen, and then select wallpaper services. Tap Samsung Global Goals settings icon, and then to turn on Samsung Global Gold sound effects, tap switch sound effect switch until blue or until on, or to turn off, tap switch until gray or until off. Tap switch until blue to turn on, or tap switch until gray to turn off. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.